It pops up in the air. Gabriel now with it. Now Osborne at center ice. He's going to fire it in. It's played by Villatelka back of the net. Villegas skated right by it. Good opportunity there for the Blues, but the Magicians get it back. They're going to play it in. Sims is the first one there for the Blues. He plays it over to McCormick in the corner. Then he's run into by Reifenberger. And then taken down is McCormick on the far side. It's kept in by the Magicians, and then a shot on. Save made Wilson. And Reifenberger fires one wide. Now it's played to the corner and left there for Christie. He plays it to Reifenberger, who's got Jaden Jensen on him, and we're going to get a penalty. Panisa lines up to take another face-off in the Blues end, but this time it's Reifenberger winning it for the Magicians. It's held in there at the blue line by Gavrilovic, and now it comes out. Minnesota all the way back to their end to get it started again. It's on the near boards. Lanigan tries to play it ahead, but it's batted down. Now Sjogren with it. Sasha Sjogren over the blue line, but the whistle blows as the Magicians were offside. 15:49 to go first period. Face off and neutralized. Magicians win another one. Stein fires it in. It comes all the way around to the far corner. Conan with it in the corner. Tried to center one. But the Blues clear it out, and it's going to come all the way down. Blues control off that face-off in their end. It's angled off the glass and out to center. Panisa tries to feed it to McCormick. Stein gets to it first, center ice. Here's Lanigan again on the far side. Poke check by Osborne. Now Kanta gets it back for the Magicians over the line. He's going to play it to the near boards for Hale. Now it's up to the point for Stein. Fires a shot, and the save made by Wilson. Here's McCurdy with it in the corner in the Blues end. Tried to play it up the boards to McCormick. They still battle for it down there in the corner, and then a centering attempt by the Magicians as they got it free. Now McCabe, a wrist shot that is blocked in front, and then Kanta fires a backhander that goes wide into the corner. Now this one comes all the way around to the far side. Blues get to it. That's Shearer on the far boards, who skates it up to the red line and fires it in. Played all the way around, and McCabe has it, passes to Conan, who's over the line for the Magicians. His shot goes wide. Under 11 to play now in the first period, as a shot from the point is blocked aside by Wilson. Sims gets it. He's knocked down. Jensen in there to help. He plays it around to Larionov's on the far boards, but it's kept alive by the Magicians. Here's Christie. Feeds it over to Oberle. He fires a shot, but it came from a bad angle, and the save was made by Wilson. Now here's Sims with it. Blues need to clear. But the Magicians keep it alive. And then it comes up and out of play for the whistle. 10-20. And it's knifed down by Conan. Under 7 to play now in the first. Stein with it in the Minnesota end. Gets it out to center. And he'll get it up to the red line and play it in. Jensen plays it out. Now a race to it. Bill Telka is going to end up coming out and playing the puck as McCormick was racing in there for the Blues. Now Shearer from the Blues end. Fed one ahead for McCormick, who tips it into the zone. Stein settles it back up the net for the Magicians. Under 6.5 to play. Shearer back to get it in the Blues end. He'll feed it over to his partner, McCurdy. And it does come out to center. Now they battle for it on the boards right there in front of the Blues bench, and the Blues come away with the puck. Coming up on 6 to play. It's tipped at center by Villegas into the Minnesota end. Ford, who's going to slap it in. Villatelco's out of the net. And he leaves it for Reifenberger back in the net. Now here's Sjogren at center. Sjogren over the line with some speed, has a shot blocked. And it's forced to the near boards by the Blues. And now played out to center ice. Minnesota punches it right back in. Wilson feeds it to Gabriel. Coming up on 2.5 to play here in the first period. It's fed up the boards for Larionovs, but kept alive by Hale. Then it's punched out to center. Hale plays it back in for the Magicians as Osborne's the first one to it. Plays it to Gabriel, and he plays it up the boards, and it comes out to center. Here's Stein with it at the red line. Now the Blue Callow who plays it in, but right to the Magicians. Here's Villegas now. Villegas at center, dishes to Panisa. He plays it back to Villegas. Now out in front for Panisa. Couldn't get much on the shot. And it's going to be covered up. Face off this time for the Blues. And that one's won by the Magicians. Coming up on half a minute to play here in this first period. Now Panisa plays it in back of the goal. McCormick fights for it in the corner. He's got some help from Villegas, who's poking away at it. Under 20 to play now in the period. Villegas gets it free, cuts out in front, and a backhander goes wide. 13 seconds to go. Caden Villegas has it, 8 to go. Feeds it in front for Osborne, and he deflects it on net. Save was made. Now Larionov's a shot. The goaltender, Villatelka, looks surprised by that one. Just got the pads down to make the save. And an exciting finish to that first period for the Blues. Panisa will take the draw this time for the Blues. The Magicians control. They get it out to center. Over the line is Hale. He plays it back up the net for Sjogren, but he opted for the check against Sims, and Sims is still down behind the play in the corner. There's a shot, and that one went high and wide off the stick of Panisa. Referee with his arm up on that hit back in the 2 minutes for interference, and the Blues to the power play. They win the face-off in the Minnesota end, but then the Magicians get it back and clear. All the way down to Wilson it comes. He'll play it to Villegas, who gets it started. He gives way to Panisa, who skates it to center ice and plays it in. Villegas now with it. Leaves it for McCormick, and a shot on. Save made by Villatelka. He'll hang on to it. 18:41 to Panisa will take the draw on the Minnesota end. It's kept alive by the Blues. Played into the corner. McCormick has it. Back of the net. Blues on the power play. Another minute 27. Osborne across to Villegas. Osborne gets it back from him. Now plays it to Panisa. Osborne gets it back. Fires a shot. That one's blocked out front. Never made it on. But Villegas has it on the far boards. But then his pass goes right to Sagasor, and the Magicians able to clear it out. Gathered up by Osborne, back of his own net. Plays it up to Panisa, up to the red line. He'll fire it in. Villatelka plays it to the corner for Stein. Blues get it back. Salt. Now Osborne keeps it in. Skates it in. Fires a shot, and glove save made by Villatelka. 17:47 to go in the period. 44 to go. It's off in the Blues end. And Bolin is going to win that one for the Magicians. It's fed in deep for Bolin. Now back up the net. It's going to be played to the near boards. Now back for Bolin. Up high for Gavrilovich. Now Orovitz centers one for Doyle. Orovitz gets it back. Gavrilovich, he's going to fire a shot that goes wide and comes to the near boards. Then Orovitz spins and fires one wide again. Doyle backhands it in deep for Bolin. He's run into by Gabriel, and it comes to Osborne. He gets it to Panisa, who's going to skate it out to center. John Panisa gains the zone, tried to center one for Villegas, but it was broken up by the Magicians. Panisa gets back to it, back of the net. He's got Villegas in front, tried to get it out to McCurdy, but it was broken up by the Magicians. Now here's Bolin at center. He's got McCormick back to center with it. Plays it in, now chases it down. McCormick still with the puck, feeds it out in front for Villegas, but he couldn't get his stick on it. Now Villegas in the far corner, plays it to Swanson. Out in front for McCormick, and a backhander on, save made, Vilitelka. Now at center. Good hit on the far boards there by Swanson as the Magicians feed it in. Now the puck on the near boards. McCormick got to it, played it to Jensen. And now John Panisa with it out to center. He gives way to Sims. Sims over the line. Hits it to Jensen, who's got some room. Fires a slap shot wide that goes off the end boards. Coming up on 10 and a half to play in the second period. Here's a pass out to center ice, and it's going to come all the way down to the Blues end. Icing whistled off waved off. And we remain 5-on-5 after the previous incident between Road and Foss for the Magicians. Both players get a 5-minute for fighting and a 10-minute misconduct. So they are done for the rest of the period and a little bit of the third. We play on in the Minnesota end. They fight for it on the end boards. Coming up on 7 minutes to play in the period. Comes free to Panisa. Feeds it in front and kicks off the skates of Villegas. He gets to it, referee with his arm up. We're going to get a penalty coming up against the Magicians. Here's Villegas, has his shot blocked. Osborne run into the end boards, and it's going to be touched up by the Magicians. Whistle blows, 6:49 to go. Now Long, he defended on the far boards there, able to get it to Larionov. It's off the stick of Longy and into the Minnesota end with 38 to go on the power play for the Blues. Now they fight for it in the corner. Longy plays it up to Osborne at the blue line. Osborne gets it back from Longy, now feeds it over to Panisa. Back out to center it comes, 19 to go in the power play opportunity for the Blues. Villegas, he fires a shot that goes wide. 5 to go in the period, 10 seconds to go in the power play as Canta brings it back shorthanded the other way. The whistle blows as he crosses the blue line. Minnesota wins another faceoff. It's played in by Reifenberger. Sims the first one there in the Blues end. Now here's Christie. Fires another wrist shot and he scores. Second goal of the period for Robert Christie. And it came back to Springfield, dropping the puck on the third period of play. The Magicians leading by a score of 2-0 on 2 second period goals from Robert Christie. Now the Blues have it. And then a shot's fired wide. We skate 4-on-4 to begin the third period here as some penalties assessed on the extracurricular activity that closed out the second period. So the two teams skate 4-on-4 as Panisa brings it over the line for the Blues. Wrist shot and a save made, Vilitelka. He's got the Wilson, gets it back of the net, leaves it for McCurdy. Then Christie gets it back for the Magicians. Plays it to Kriska. He fires a shot. That goes just wide. Now it's played in for Seitz. He centers one to Christie. And it's played on and the save was made by Wilson. Now it's Carabelli gaining the zone for the Blues. He plays it to Villegas. He gets it in the corner. He's got Kriska on his back. Then he's run into the boards and Seitz gets it for the Magicians. 16:50 to go in the period as Seitz has it back of the Minnesota net. Seitz has his pass picked off by McCormick. Centers one to Villegas, and he couldn't get a shot off. Now Orovitz gathers it for the Magicians. Lofts it out to center. This one comes all the way into the Blues end. It's going to come on net and be covered up by Wilson for the whistle. 16:28 to go. Blues win the offensive zone draw. Here's McCormick with it on the far side. He's running to the boards by Bolin in the corner. Now Panisa with it. He's knocked off of his skates. Now Bolin's going to feed it back in the net. To Orovitz now in the near corner. He loses his stick. Now Villegas across for Panisa. Hit one-timer. And over to make the save is Villatelka. Denying John Panisa on a great scoring opportunity. He's going to win it. Now McCormick from the slot fires a shot. That one goes wide and off the end boards. Now Villegas with the puck below the goal line. Villegas out in front. Backhander on. Save made. Villatelka with the pad. Now Panisa on the far boards. Brings it out to the middle of the ice. Fans on the shot. Getting it back is McCormick, but then Stein gets it back for the Magicians, and they clear out the center. Now Gabriel falls down at center ice, and Conan's in. 2-on-1, and tried to feed it over to Canta. It ends up underneath the pads of Wilson, who can lose. Get it down to the Minnesota end. It comes right back out. Now chasing it down in the neutral zone was Bolin. He pokes it down to the Springfield end. Now Jones with it in the corner. Jones loses the puck. But Villegas gets to it for the Blues. Now it's Osborne over the line. Tried to feed it back to Villegas. He's got it now in the corner. Now in front for Panisa. Panisa with an opportunity, and he's denied by Villatelka. Now back for Villegas, but he has his shot blocked. And it's played back down the ice. 9 to go in the period. Doyle gets there for the Magicians. He's got a couple of Blues defenders on him who force him to the corner. This one's going to come in on net and be covered up by Wilson for the whistle. Blues control off the faceoff. McCormick gets it out to center. Mason McCormick over the line, tried to drop off the pass to Panisa, but that one didn't work, and now it's Sagasor back out to center for the Magicians. Blues get it back. Now it's played ahead. Villegas over the line. He's got McCormick with him. And Panisa. Villegas gets it back in the corner. And he's knocked down. Good stick to keep it in for the Blues. Now the puck in the corner, coming up on 6 minutes to play. Panisa has it. John Panisa run into the boards. And now Bolin plays it out for the Magicians. This one's going to come all the way down. Not going to be quite far enough for icing. Under 6 minutes to play. Knocked down off the end boards in the Blues end. 52 to go. In the power play opportunity for the Blues. Sims steps out to the left to get it started. Here's Panisa at center over the line. Drops it off to Villegas with some room. Tried to feed it over to Swanson, but he fanned on the one-timer. Now it's 2-on-1, short-handed, back the other way. Reifenberger to Sagasor, and he scores. It's 3-0. Minnesota Magicians with 3:40 to go in the third period. TJ Sagasor, our ice, he's over the line, but loses the puck. Now Canta up to the red line, plays it in. Wilson has it back in the net, under 2 to go. Larionov's at center. Larionov's over the line. Now Salt with it. Shot from a bad angle. Rebound left in front, but McCormick couldn't get a second shot on. Here's Larionov's with it from his end. Plays it to Villegas. Rather, that's Gabriel. He slaps it in. Under a minute and a half to go. Held in at the blue line, then a shot is blocked by Oberle. He has it out at center ice and fires it in. Reifenberger gets to it as the scoreboard shuts off here at the Nelson Center.